By following along with this content, you recognize that activities related to yoga involve physical activities which may cause injury. You understand that you must judge your own capabilities with respect to any activity. By continuing with this class, you agree to participate at your own risk. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns, it is your responsibility to consult with a healthcare provider prior to and regarding your participation. You confirm that you are physically and mentally capable of participating in yoga-related activities. You agree to waive and release Be Yoga, its instructors, staff, and affiliates from any claims related to personal injury, whether caused by negligence or otherwise. Continuing with the rest of this class constitutes acceptance of the waiver of liability. Hello and welcome to Be Yoga. Today we'll be seated pretty much the entire flow, which I think is great. Not a lot of pressure on the wrists, not a lot of body engagement, just a really nice, slow flow. Come to a comfortable seat. Sukhasana. If your hips are too tight to sit in this cross-legged position, grab a block or a folded up blanket, something that will give you a little bit of height, and just place it under your sit bones. If a block is too sensitive, like if your sit bones are sensitive, try a block with a blanket over top and you can sit on that. Or even like a meditation bolster, really whatever you've got, a throw pillow. Just elevate the seat and your hips will be able to open up more. Also, you could kick out the feet like so, or place the blocks underneath the knees to make this more accessible. Once you're in your comfortable seated position, become aware of your body. Are you slouching? Are you overarching? What's going on here? We're looking to stack the hips, ribs, and the shoulders atop each other. Then go ahead and align the crown. So we've got one tall, strong stack, hips, ribs, shoulders, crown. Let the palms rest somewhere on the legs, face down or face up, whatever you're feeling. Keep an awareness to your stacked foundation throughout this entire flow. I'll be reminding you here and there by asking, where's your stack? What are your ribs doing? Reminding you of that awareness. All right, let's get into it. Close the eyes, stack hips, ribs, shoulders, crown. Sit tall. Begin to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Take a big inhale. Exhale through the mouth with a sound. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth with a sound. Where's your stack? Where are your ribs? Return to a normal breath. Begin to set an intention for our practice to find warmth, whether that's physically, emotionally. We're looking for warmth. Set your intention. Find your inner warmth, your inner fire. Blink the eyes open. Drop the arms out to the side. On your next inhale, inhale the arms up overhead. If the palms and fingertips touch, cool. If not, oh well. Exhale, Face the palms down toward the floor. Let the arms come down. Inhale the arms up, palms face up. Look up. Exhale, arms down, look down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Where are your ribs? Inhale up. They might fall out of your stack. Exhale down. When you raise the arms up, that's okay. We're just looking for the awareness. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, drop the right arm down to the mat. Lean over, core strong. Inhale up, arm up. Exhale, arm down. Lean over, strong core. Inhale up. Exhale, drop the arm, lean over, strong core. Sit into it this time. Find a stretch in your left side body. Press into the mat with your bottom hand. Core engaged. Inhale up using the core. Exhale, drop the left arm. Lean over. Strong core, inhale up. Exhale, drop the arm, lean over. Strong core, inhale up. Exhale, drop the arm, lean over, and settle into your side stretch. Strong core here. My arm isn't doing a ton of work. If I lift it off the mat, I'm still finding the stretch, but we keep the arm down here for support, just a little support. Think about sending the hip down toward the mat while you're sending the ribs up and over. Inhale the arms up. Exhale down. Bring the hands to the knees or somewhere else on the thighs. On your next inhale, stretch the chest forward. Open up the front body. Squeeze the shoulder blades together on the back body. Exhale, round the back, hollow out. Inhale, come forward. Arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch, shoulders away from the ears. Squeeze the shoulder blades on the back body. Exhale, round. Pull the belly button to the spine. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, come back to neutral. So shift your torso over to the right. Shift it forward to the left. Shift it back. So sort of that same motion we were just doing with the cat-cows, but we're adding the side to side as well and making it all one motion. So to the right, to the front, left, back. Let your neck move along too. Gentle movements. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Switch direction. So over to the left. Forward. Right. Back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gentle movements. And settle your movements. Come back to center. Kick your right leg out to the side. Slight bend in the knee. You can point or flex the foot. I'll be pointing. Take the arms out to the side. Inhale the arms up. Almost like a beach ball. You're holding a beach ball overhead. Or you're a ballerina is a better way to put it. Think about your stack. So, exhale, stack everything back in line. Inhale. Exhale, swan dive, fold forward. Support yourself with your hands if you need to. Inhale the chest forward, roll the shoulder blades onto the back body. Slowly walk yourself back up. Find your stack. Inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale, twist at the core over toward your leg. Swan dive, fold over your leg. Dig your heel down into the floor. Find length in the spine. Slowly walk yourself back up. Switch sides. Kick out your other leg. Slight bend in the knee. Heel pressing down into the floor, almost like you're trying to drag your foot back toward you. Inhale the arms up into our beach ball. Exhale, find your stack. Inhale. Exhale, swan dive, fold forward. Use your arms if you need to. Inhale the chest forward, roll the shoulder blades back and together on the back body. Slowly use your hands to walk yourself back up. Find your stack. Inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale, twist at the core. Swan dive, fold forward over your leg. You could rest your hands somewhere on your leg if you'd like. Use your hands to push yourself back up. Kick out your other leg. Shake them out. Find a little movement. Start to bring the legs together out in front of you. Adjust yourself as needed. Inhale the arms up. Look up. Arch the spine slightly. Exhale, swan dive. Fold forward over your legs. Keep a slight bend in the knees. And let your hands rest somewhere, whether that's your thighs, knees, ankles, toes, wherever they land. Option to drop the head down slowly. Be careful with this. And just breathe. If it ever becomes uncomfortable, please back out of it by rolling up from the bottom of the spine, with the head and the neck the last thing to come up. Find some engagement in the feet, whether that's a point or a flex or somewhere in the middle. Toes sprawled out. Slowly come back up. Find yourself back in our starting position or seated Sukhasana. Tent the fingertips on your mat out to your sides. Then slide them back behind you and closer to the hips. Take an inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale, the heart opens up. Roll the shoulders back, down, away from the ears. Squeeze the shoulder blades on the back body. Press into the hands, into the fingertips. Squeeze the elbows together behind you. Maybe you drop the head back slightly. Slowly use your hands to push yourself back up. Head rolls forward. If you'd like to continue the meditation with me, head on over to the Patreon. You'll find breathwork, meditation, yoga flows, weekly posts, and a community of yogis. Shoot me a DM for a free month. I'll send you the link. Thank you so much for flowing with me today. Namaste. I'll see you next time.